Okay, we're gonna mix green. Hi, I'm Jeannie Conant-Kramer. Before I get started, I just want you to know that this can go for any medium, whether it's oil paints, acrylics, pastels, watercolor, or something else. Okay, so let's go down to the palette and let's get started. Okay, so here we are at my palette. Now, you don't have to go out and get a very, an expensive artist palette. This is just a piece of foam board that I got at the craft store. You can get this at the dollar store for real cheap. Get a whole sheet of it and just cut it down. And then I took just kitchen wax paper and taped it to the back. That way when I'm finished with it and it's all messed up, I can tear it off and put a fresh sheet on and reuse it. Okay, so we're gonna make we're gonna make green. So let's put out some blue here on the palette. Okay, and yellow, right? Blue and yellow are gonna make green. Oh, I put a little too much, but that's okay. I can use it for another project. I've got my little flat brush here. It's a filbert. We'll talk more about brushes a little later. So I'm gonna take my blue, just bring that out here. Take my yellow, start mixing that in. I also like to keep a little bit of white on the palette. So let me put my white out here. Just a little bit, because this looks good to me, to my eye, but on camera it's dark. It's pretty dark. So putting my blue, putting my yellow, it's making green, but let's lighten that up a little bit so you can really get a good look at the green that's going on. There it is. I love it. I love that shade of, oh, it's beautiful. I could do this all day long. Let's add a little bit more white. So you can add more and more white, more and more yellow if you want more of a yellow green, which we're kind of going into the tertiaries now, which is in another video. But there you have it. Okay, so blue and yellow make green. I'll see you in the next video.